Thank you for your work. Your English is good. I think you discussed this with your friend when you read. Um, there is some improvement. There is always room for improving your essay. Now I will go slowly, bit by bit, and then I give you example. Then I give you a task, another task later. Yeah. Now let's go paragraph per paragraph. Now, look at your introduction paragraph here, this one. Present day, we underwent several changes in our country and also internationally. Very good. Those changes, harusnya jangan that, tapi those occurred not only in one field, but also in politics, economic, and other field, gitu kan. Terus, an area that greatly affected is the economics, karena ini. Okay, good introduction. The globalization era that fulfill the challenges sampai di sini. My question, yang mau dibahas apa? Inti dari esainya apa? Itu yang tidak terlihat di paragraf 1 di intro. Karena itu tidak jelas, tidak fokus, then your other paragraph nggak nyambung sama intronya, gitu. Karena sini nggak jelas kan, ini cerita present day dan segala macam. Anda mau nekanin apa? In this paragraph, what is your main idea? Apakah the globalization era change have greatly affected the economic aspect? Kalau ini yang jadi, taruhlah ini yang jadi mainnya kalimat ini. Karena kalau that fulfill dan segala macam keterangan nih, that dan sampai di sini keterangan. Jadi intinya ini kan, intinya ini, the globalization era and changes have greatly affect the economic aspect. Nah, kalau itu yang mau dibahas, maka ini jadi nggak nyambung kan. Definition of economic globalization can be regarded dan seterusnya. Ngomongin definisi. Terus dalam paragraf ini ada bilang next is the negative impact. Ya, karena di sini Anda ngomong, memang sih di kalimat ini, in the economic globalization will be many impact of the positive and negative impact. The positive impact ini, itu kan. Terus ini the negative impact. Tapi di awal ngomong definisi. Ya, ini kan runtut. Ingat nggak paragraf yang tentang itu, I love writing itu, I hate writing itu. Ya, mirip-mirip sih, gitu kan. Terus di sini economic globalization is happening. Terus economic globalization and its effect would be always present in the era of globalization. Nah, my questions, bahasa Inggris sih, tapi ngomong apa gitu? Ya, so it's not clear. Now, how to improve? You have to be clear here. What are you going to say? Then develop that, support this with your next paragraph, and support with this paragraph. Gitu. Ini nggak nyambung satu dengan yang lain. I know it's not easy. That's why I ask you to work in group. Need high order thinking. Pakai mikir gitu. Kalau low order thinking, hanya rewrite dan segala macam, it's not university level. It's high school level. Ya. Your English may be good, but in university it's not just English. Need your thinking skills as well. And that's needed. Gitu. Sekarang saya kasih contoh 2 pekerjaan kelompok lain. Nanti dibandingin ya. Ya, this is an example. Tidak perfect, tapi kita bandingin ya. Globalization, the process of increasing connection, communication throughout the world, may amaze, pleasure, dan seterusnya. Intro. In economic, peer market, for instance, kasih contoh, gitu kan? globalization affect market in terms of commodities, labor, and finance. Mulai spesifik dia. The third type of market, finance, will be the subject of this discussion. So, this group is going to discuss only the finance. Ya. Oleh karena itu, dia menjelaskan, finance is the easiest to globalize because dia kasih keterangan ini. Kelemahan dari essay ini tidak dikembangkan lagi. Sini ada yang hilang nih idenya. Terus tiba-tiba dia on the other hand ngasih kontradiknya di sini. Ya, jadi pengembangan paragrafnya ini tidak terlalu bagus. Tapi intronya bagus. Then this group said globalization of finance has long histories until what we know today. Masih tentang finance. Terus dia ngomong historinya. As globalization continues, floating rates are common nowadays. That's about finance. Gitu. Ya. To come to this kind of essay tidak mudah. Need critical reading and also high order thinking. Oleh karena itu, saya suruh kerja di kelompok. Kalau gampang tak suruh kerja sendiri. I'm going to give you another example. Ya, contohnya ini, contoh yang lain. Economic globalization is the increase of economic independence dan seterusnya. Across borders dan seterusnya. Okay? One part of globalization of economy is financial sector. Sama kan? Yang tadi juga ngomong financial. Tapi dia akan melihat dari sisi yang lain. In the development of globalization in the final sector had its development journey. Jadi dia akan ngomong development journey-nya aja. Tahapnya stage described below. Terus dia ngomong, ini tahapnya ini masih salah kan, ini harus dibenerin. Terus dia ngomong, the first period, dia jelasin. Second period, dia jelasin. Itu kan? The third period, dia jelasin. The fourth period, dia jelasin. Okay? So it's clear and structured gitu. To come to that, again, it's a discussion in the group. High order thinking is needed. Then put that in logic using English. Itu tugasnya sebetulnya. Ya, now for your group, you don't have to rewrite. Jangan, kalau rewrite nggak ada manfaatnya. What I want you to do is to choose another text from Schoology. Ya, so log into Schoology. Okay. Then you click preparation material for final test, click text for essay writing, and then choose one that you like. Tapi jangan pilih transportation. Transportation sudah pernah kita bahas. Oke, itu contoh essaynya ini, dilihat organisasinya. Jangan pilih yang ini sudah kalian kerjakan. Nah, choose one dari ini, harus dari sini, jangan teks yang lain. Then write the essay, discuss it, write the essay, then email me, then I'll give you feedback. Okay? Thank you. Looking forward to receiving your work. Thank you.